on the circuit connection of the sound activated robot. In sound activated robot we use sound sensor. This is the sound sensor, and we use the 6 class PCB board where the ground section will be there, and 5-volt section will be there, 12-volt section will be there, and there are so many transistors, resistors will be there, and there is a NPN transistor which called BC547, and there are two DC geared center shaft DC motor and one DPDT relay we use. Let's start the connection. First we connect the VCC of the sound sensor to the 5-volt. Then after, the ground of the sound sensor connected to the ground. Then the signal pin will be connected across the 1K resistor. After that, across 1K resistor we will give the connection to the base of the transistor. There is the base pin. And then, as we know, the emitter pin will be connected to the ground. So after that we will connect the collector to the relay to give the input supply to the DPDT relay. Here we connect the RC3. Then after, we connect the 12-volt to the RC4 and the RS4. Here the RC4 will be connected to the 12-volt and RS4 connected to the 12-volt. After that, the RS3 will be connected to the ground section. Here is the RS3 connected to the ground. Then the motor will be connected. Here is the motor section. Motor section will be connected to the NO4. One side of the motor will be connected to the NO4, and other side of the motor are connected to the NO3. Here is the circuit connection will be done. Let's check how the sound activated robot will be on. So here the sound sensor. Then here the sound sensor detect the sound. Then when the sound sensor detect the sound, then the robot will be active. Now we will see in better way. Here the sound sensor detect sound, then the robot will be on. Let's see again. Here the sound sensor detect the sound, then the robot will be on. Thank you.